I'm Lynn, this is my daughter Emma, her son, my grandson Griffith, and we have a strong family history of dyslexia.
Fi'n Griff, fi'n blwyddyn 8 a fi'n mewn ysgol Rhieni'n. Mewn ysgol fi'n hoffi pêl-droed, technoleg, gwyb a ymarfer corff.
So, naeth ddweud i rhieni paid bod yn ofnus o'r iaith oherwydd dyw e ddim yn atal plentyn o gwbl gyda dyslexia. Mae'n helpu mwy nag unrhyw beth. Mae wedi helpu fy mab i a dwi'n rili cyffroes yn y dyfodol.
Pob lwc i ysgol newydd. Hwyl fel mawr iawn.
Hello, my name's Rhiannon and this is my son Brian, and I sent my son to ysgol Gymraeg Ffiniau. If anybody is feeling apprehensive, as I did, about sending a child with additional learning needs to Welsh-medium school, I can wholeheartedly say, don't worry about it. They'll get a rich experience and it'll be amazing.
Hi, Jayne ydw i, a dyna Gwen. Mae Gwen yn mynd i'r ysgol ysgol Cymraeg Cynnwyd Sant. So mae Gwen yn cael complex learning disability, so mae'n learning disability gyda autism. Mae job opportunities yn agor i rywun sy'n gallu siarad dwy iaith ydy e. So dyna pan dwi eisiau Gwen i siarad Cymraeg, to open those doors. Dwi'n mor falch fod dwi ddim wedi tynnu Gwen allan yr ysgol Cymraeg. I'm so proud I didn't.
So hi, I'm Siân and this is my daughter Anya, and she goes to Ysgol Gatholwg, a Welsh school up the road. I think I'm very open-minded and try not to worry about things unless there's something to worry about, and if Welsh language is really important to you, if your child is deaf, I wouldn't be put off by, a trilingual approach to speech and language. I think, you can only try these things, and it's working and it's been successful for Anya so far as well. So yeah, I would definitely encourage people to give it a go.